That was 1 minute and 10 seconds. Hi everyone, so as you may know, I like solving Rubik's Cubes. And today I am going to be solving one with my feet. So I actually have done this before one time, and it took 26 minutes, so we'll see how I do now. Okay, so here's the Rubik's Cube, and I've got my timer, and I'm going to speed this up because, you know, I'm pretty sure you don't want to be sitting there for 26 minutes just watching me trying to move things with my foot. So, yeah, I've got my timer, and I'm going to start it in 3, 2, 1, go. 15 minutes, 25 seconds, and yeah, so here we go. I managed to solve it with my feet. So I would say that the hardest part about solving Rubik's Cube with your feet actually isn't like trying to remember how to solve it or like trying to figure it out, even though those were pretty hard, since I usually remember it based on muscle memory with my hands, and I don't do it with my feet like every day. But even with that, I wouldn't say that was the hardest part. I'd say the hardest part was like not getting exhausted, because my legs, that was actually a real workout for my legs, to like try and get my feet to like, you know, turn the things. Like, it's pretty hard, especially because I'm also trying not to like break it apart while doing it. So like, yeah, so I guess it was significantly better than the very first time I did it, which is good. And yeah, just let me finish making this pattern here. All right, there we go. Nope, that's not it. Never mind. There we go. I made a cool pattern. So yeah, I solved a Rubik's Cube with my feet in 15 minutes and 24 seconds, which is pretty good, I guess. And now for the shoutouts. So I know that for my last shoutout video, I said that you'd have to guess my age because it was my birthday and stuff. And that was more than 2 months ago. So, well, anyway, I am finally giving shoutouts for that. So the answer to that question was, I am 15 years old. And here are the people who got it right. But I know I said you'd only get a shout if you got it right, but I will also give shoutouts to the people who still guessed, even if it might not have been right, because they were good guesses. And the people who did get it right were all people who already knew. So here they are. And as for this guess, I'm not really sure what that's about. So now that I've given shoutouts during this video, I will give you a shout out question for the next time I remember to shout out people. The question for this one is, have you ever solved a Rubik's Cube before? If so, have you done it with your feet? And if not, then why not? Answer in the comments, and I will see you next video, if I remember to. Bye.